The two-day conference, which brings together experts, researchers, policymakers, and stakeholders in the mining sector, aims to create a common space to discuss, assess, and report on environmental and human health issues relating to gold mining. Aisha Williams, WWF Guyana's country manager, said the project aims to pilot and test mercury-free technologies, including ways of reducing mercury use in gold mining operations.
Emphasizing on ensuring that there is something that's economically feasible for miners, it's easy to adopt, and caters for the interests of miners, while at the same time reducing impacts on the environment and people's health.
Meanwhile, Dr. Laurence Maurice, Director of Research at the French Research Institute, assured that the Institute's main objective is to co-build solutions for sustainability.
It's about the complexity and how we can together improve the practices, and how we can also participate in the empowerment of local population to reduce their exposure to mercury.
Darcy Waldron, head of the Ghana Geology and Mines Commission GGMC Environment Department, in his address spoke to the GGMC's approach to also addressing sustainability in the sector.
The economic benefits of extracting and utilizing mineral resources must not cost life, limb, or the quality of the environment. As such, we will continue to identify and implement corrective measures to counter existing environmental threats and continue to emphasize mine safety.
The two-day engagement will also conceptualize future actions relating to environment and human health issues in mining, specifically focusing on mining in Guyana. Partnering with the conference is the World Wildlife Fund Guyanas under the project supporting mercury phase out in the Guyanas. Renata Burnette, reporting for the HGP Nightly News.